How to hide your Snapchat friends. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Snapchat on your device. As soon as you open it, you can see the chat section right next to the photo or search section. Just go ahead and tap on the chat. Now, if you want to hide a particular friend, you can just go ahead and go over their profile and tap on their profile. So as soon as you tap on their profile, you can see this type of settings. Now what you need to do is tap on chat and history. As soon as you tap on chat and history, you can find the clear from chat feed. Go ahead and tap on clear from chat feed. As soon as you tap on it, you can now see that that friend has been hidden. As soon as that friend will send you a message, you can easily check out the message and you can see your friend as well. So guys, I hope this video about how you can hide your Snapchat friends was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.